It's lasagna dip and chips. I've just got ground beef and sausage browned. I'm gonna add a few more things. A can of diced tomatoes, juice and all, and a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. Gotta have plenty of garlic in any lasagna dish. And then some salt and pepper. Keep things really seasoned for the season. I'm gonna stir this all together, and then it needs to simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna make the cheese mixture for the lasagna dip. And so I've got about 1/3 cup of the cottage cheese and ricotta and about 1/4 cup of the Parmesan. And then I wanna make this really herby and delicious, so I've got some chopped basil and chopped parsley, and then some salt and pepper. And then I'll just smush this all together. Okay, that is all mixed together. So now I'm gonna assemble the dip. It is a lot of fun. I'm gonna start with a layer of the meat sauce. I'll add half of it to the bottom of a square baking dish. Now I'll add dollops of the cheese mixture. Now, as if that's not enough cheese, I am gonna add a layer of grated mozzarella. Okay, now I'll repeat the layers one more time, the rest of the meat mixture. All right, and another layer of the creamy ricotta mixture, the rest of the mozzarella, and that's all there is to assembling it. Now I've got to bake it at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Noodle chips coming right up. I cut boiled and cooled lasagna noodles into triangles, put all 80 of them into a bowl, then added 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan, a tablespoon of chopped fresh oregano, mixed everything together, split the chips between 2 sheet pans, baked them at 375 degrees for 20 minutes, then took the crispy wonders out to cool. All right, now I want to sprinkle some of these beautiful herbs over the top. Lasagna dip and chips, perfect for the holidays.